Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to permanently disable auto stop start function on 2018 Jaguar F Pace with 2-liter turbo diesel. This is gonna apply also to various Jaguar models such as Jaguar XE, XF, E Pace and such. So as you know, once when you start your vehicle, you can actually disable auto stop start function by simply pressing this button where it says A off. So if you select this on your dashboard, you're gonna see the auto stop start is disabled. But as usual, you don't always remember to press this button. So if you are annoyed by vehicle always stopping at the stops and then restarting, there is a way you can disable this permanently. I'm about to show you how to do that. So to permanently disable auto stop start function, we will have to locate the battery on this vehicle. So to do that, first we'll have to open the lift gate. Now once when this is open, you will have to open this cover and remove it. Now the next step is to remove this spare tire, and you're gonna do that by turning this counterclockwise. When you have this out, you can put it on the side and you will have to pull this tire out. When the spare tire is out of the way, you can see your battery. And now once we have access to the battery, you wanna look to your left side and find this connector. So basically this little sensor and this connector is responsible for your auto stop start function. So if you want to permanently disable it, you just want to unplug this plug. So you want to press on this tab here and pull it out. And now let's see how this is gonna work. I'm gonna start the vehicle. Okay, let's see what happens if I press this. Okay, now you can still press it and you can get the message that it's either on or off. So I'm gonna actually leave it as it's on, and to see while I'm driving if the vehicle is actually gonna shut off at the full stop. So now as I'm driving my vehicle, I'm gonna make a full stop and I'm gonna see if my vehicle is actually gonna shut off at the full stop. So I'm braking now. I made a full stop. The vehicle is still running. It didn't shut off. So as I made a full stop, the vehicle didn't shut off, and I see here that A is disabled. So whenever you stop now, you're gonna get this symbol. That means that your auto start stop is disabled and your vehicle is gonna be running. It's not gonna shut off. And as you take off, this is gonna disappear. So this is the way how to permanently disable your auto stop start function. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like it, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.